Hey guys, it's Alison Victoria and welcome to this month's picks. So for this month, I really wanted to just kind of keep it soft and subtle and then have a real pop of texture and color in the flooring. So it all started from the bottom. So we're using the Old English XRP luxury vinyl. I love the tones in this. I like that you get the chocolate browns. I like that you get a little more of the grays as well, and then kind of like a whitewash in between to give it that kind of contrast and that pop. So starting from the floor and working our way up, we're going with everyone's favorite, never going away, always timeless, the Malibu White. So it's a shaker style, classic white. Trust me when I tell you, the only thing you'll ever change in 20 years is possibly your countertop and maybe your cabinet hardware with this collection. And it is absolutely neutral, but with a lot of personality. So the way that we kind of tied the two together is with our countertop. So this is a porcelain countertop. I absolutely love the tones and I love the flow of the veining because it gives it a very natural look. This does not look like it isn't a natural stone. So this is the Corsica Ellendale. I love the tones of gray. I like that you get a little bit of a golden brown hue in the veining as well to pull back in our flooring. And that makes it really easy with our hardware. So went with the Gracious Home brownstone in the champagne bronze with that scalloped edge. And you'll see how that pulls out that gold tone in our veining. But altogether, this collection to me is very dreamy and just soft and timeless.